my dreamers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. Today's video is so exciting because I have some free makeup that I want to talk about. Rimmel London. In this next one, in this really sneaky black box, is from Tom Ford. I look a little crazy right now because the stuff that are in these boxes are makeup. I did receive these products complimentary from INFLUENSTER for testing purposes. If you guys don't know INFLUENSTER, I've talked about this multiple times. I've done plenty of videos showcasing products that I get from INFLUENSTER. And I will link those videos below if you guys are interested in them. Long story short, it's basically an app called INFLUENSTER that you can go in and create an account and you can connect all your social media. The more social media accounts you connect to this app, the better chances of you getting VOXBOXes. You should also be reviewing products as well as asking questions and answering questions. There's just a lot to do on this app and it's very fun. And yeah, definitely get on INFLUENSTER. You guys are missing out if you have not. I've got tons of boxes from INFLUENSTER before. Yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing what I got in these boxes, you know the drill. Keep on watching. Okay guys, the very first one I want to show you is from Tom Ford. Yes. And I can't believe it, but I actually got an $88 palette from Tom Ford for free. I'm so excited. Like, I've never owned a Tom Ford product before, so like I'm just over here blown away that I'm getting this for free, and I'm so excited. It says right here, Tom Ford, it shows the Eye Color Quad Long Wearing Multi-Dimensional Ultra Pigmented Eyeshadow. And I got this in the shade Soleil Sable. And look at this. It comes in this little bag here. It's so fancy. Look at this, so bougie. This one is the Tom Ford palette. I'm so excited. This is Tom Ford right here. This is the palette right here. We have some neutral tone. And we have these two brushes here. I don't understand why Tom Ford still have these brushes. I wish they could take out these brushes and maybe make the quads a little bit bigger or add like 2 more colors on here or something for it to be like $88. But yeah, I'm stoked. I'm excited to try out these colors. I'm just going to create a simple eye look with this. So I'm going in with this shade right here. Doesn't have shade names. Outer corners of my eyes are going in this darker shade right here. Has this nice smoky look, which is so nice. I feel like it kind of performs like Charlotte Tilbury palettes, so not bad. And then this last shade up here, I believe this is a more shimmery shade. Feels very buttery. I'm using my fingers and I'm just going to apply that onto my eyes. Feels so buttery. Did I just hear thunder? How is it so hot, but it's thundering outside? I am really impressed with the eyes. They were really buttery, so I was really impressed. But do I really think that it's worth $88? Probably not. But it is a brand name. It is Tom Ford, so it is what it is. I'm going to quickly finish up the eyes, and then we're moving on to the rest of the face. Okay, so moving on to the Rimmel London box, I got a bronzer and a blush. Yeah, this is the natural bronzer, waterproof bronzing powder, and this is the maxi blush. Natural looking color that lasts all day, highly pigmented, buildable color, lightweight, microfine powder. And I'm excited to be putting these on my face because I've never tried them before. The color 020 Sunshine. This is a nice bronzy color. This is my type of bronzer color. have this very bad acne right here. Ugh, that just won't go away. I think it gave me a nice bronze look. And next I am going in with the blush. This is in the shade 001 Third Base. It's like a nice rosy color. And I think it's also a very nice color, very rosy. It gives me this nice flush on the cheeks. I really like it a lot. To finish off this look, I'm going to be adding some highlighter. This is the Ofra Rodeo Drive highlighter. I think this will just top off this look. Alright, I can't believe it's like thundering right now, but I'm just going to quickly end this video here. And yeah, I really like the products that I got. And I just went for a more simple look because, you know, I just wanted to try out the product itself. And I didn't really want to add anything else to it. I really like the products. And definitely check out INFLUENSTER if you guys want to get some free VOXBOXes. And I love INFLUENSTER so much, so you guys are definitely missing out if you're not on this app. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to be a part of my little family here on YouTube. I'd appreciate that so much. And without further ado, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!